Alright, so now it's time to solve this exercise together. My name is Vlad, as always. This is Alpha Tech, our C programming course. So let's start. First of all, what we need to understand is that we are going to receive two numbers. So let's go like this. So num1 and num2, we will declare them, and later on we will ask a user to enter number 1 and also to enter number 2. So let's simply copy that and copy this. And there you go. Please enter number 2 using ampersand num2. And now what we are going to do is to use the if condition. So if statement. Now we will specify the condition. So if num1 equals to num2, then in this case we will print true. Okay, that's what we were requested to do. And if this condition returns false, okay, if the result of this condition, once again, the if statement checks whether this condition will be true or false. If this condition happens to be false, the result of this condition happens to be false, then this part of the else will be executed. And in this case, it will be just like that. So false, and there you go. So once again, what do we have here? Two numbers, checking if they are the same. So one note, guys, before we will build and run it, is that pay close attention to use double equality sign, because if you would have used just one of them, then in this case you will simply assign the value of num2 into num1, and the returned result of the operation is probably successful operation, and based on that you couldn't conclude anything regarding if they were the same or not. So if you're checking for equality, use double equality signs, and basically that's how you should do it. So let's build and run it to make sure that everything works as expected. So 3 and 5 are not identical, not equal to one another. So let's build it once again. So 2 and 2 basically are the same numbers. So yeah, I think this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Keep on practicing, keep on moving forward, and let's move on to more complicated exercise. I'll see you then.